Chuki Beats.
Hello guys, so today I am about to go take a shower and I will be showing you what I used for my face. But I'm still learning how to upload videos on YouTube, so I will be showing you what I use on my face before I go to bed. First what I do is because meron akong eyeliner. Eyeliner when I go to work. So even if I wash my face, kasi waterproof siya. So meron pa rin siya natitira kahit konti. So yung mata ko bandang dito, makikita mo parang ano siya. See? Meron siyang dark shade in here, parang eyeshadow siya. So I will use the Q-tips to just get rid of it. Kailangan gentle ako kasi hindi ako gentle sa mata ko. And because of that, meron na akong wrinkles. Ang bata-bata pa, may wrinkles na ako. See, that came off. So what I'm gonna do, I use Aveeno Positively Radiant Toner with moisture-rich soy extract. So it's a gently refreshes skin without causing tightness. It's an alcohol-free. That's what I use. I bought this from Walmart. It was like $9 or something. But when they get on sale, I grab a lot of this. Maybe not a lot, but if you live in Canada, you can buy it at Walmart or US, and then also Shoppers Drug Mart. I'm not sure if there's a Shoppers Drug Mart in the States, but in Shoppers Drug Mart, they're a little bit expensive. I checked them, I price matched them. It's actually $13 something. So I was like, oh my god. So Walmart is a really good place to buy your stuff. So yeah, this is what I use. So what I'm gonna do, get a cotton. And what I do, I always start here. Kasi pag dito ko nag-i-start, tingnan mo wala siyang any pimples. So I have like a big pimples here. Dalawa sila. I think kasi last time nagpuyat ako, so lumabas sila. Mabigat yung kamay ko, so I'm not that gentle on my face. Kasi yung iba, sinasabi na kailangan gentle ka, diba? Ooh. I still see that. There's still a foundation. Gusto ko kasi gentle siya. I had to go get a new one. So let's go grab another one. You gotta make sure malinis yung mukha mo. Alam niyo kung bata pa kayo, like in high school, tapos bigla kayong nagka-pimples, hayaan nyo lang. Ang gawin nyo, huwag nyo tirisin ha. Para hindi kayo magka-scars kasi ako tiniris-tiris ko yan. Yung iba hindi actually, but ewan ko ba, huwag nyo tirisin. Pabayaan nyo lang. Go. And then after that, I will be using Aveeno Active Naturals Clear Complexion. It's a daily moisturizer with salicylic acid. So sabi dito, after cleansing, smooth over face and neck daily for smooth, even looking skin. So it's actually for daily, but what I do, I have to use it at nighttime. I don't care at all. It's because there's a salicylic acid here. Dati ang kapal dito talaga. So when I started using this, oh my god, talagang naano siya. Nakita ko yung result, as in nag-lessen yung mga pimples, as in umiitim sila, as in kumakalat sila. I always start on my jaw here. Andito sa napakalaking pimples. Alam nyo guys, akala ko nun, ganda-ganda ako sa sarili ko. Ngayon pinapanood ko yung sarili ko sa video. Di na pala ganun kagandahan. Ma-confident lang yung si ate. Pero okay lang yun. Kahit ganito ako, marami tayong admirer. At isa na dito yung boyfriend ko. Love na love niya. So, and then after that, that's it. I don't do anything after all. I actually put a petroleum jelly, pero nandun siya. Maglalagay na lang ako mamaya bago ako matulog. I don't use lip balm because I have to put the petroleum jelly, or if you have a lip balm, just put it on every night time, every bedtime. Kasi kinabukasan kung mahilig ka mag-makeup, or if you leave the house, if you go to school and then you leave the house with the lipstick, it's better to put a moisturizer at nighttime para pag nilagay mo yung lipstick mo, hindi siya nagka-crack or something, hindi siya dry. So that petroleum jelly, it does really help. So especially yung lahat ng lipstick where they're all matte finish. I don't like red at all. I don't like before I love glossy, but no, always matte. So, and the one that I'm wearing, they're all long lasting, like 24 hours. So now this one here, this is a Tresemme Keratin Smooth. It has the marula oil. Marula, I don't know, marula. It is an anti-freeze, perfectly detangles, silky shine, soft feel, tames flyaways. I use the Shine Serumo since I damaged my hair because I got bleach. I wanna do the balayage to my hair, but then the hairstylist doesn't know what she's doing, so I just gave up. So actually this was blonde. I just colored it with black and blue. So yung pagka-blonde niya bumabalik siya kasi na-bleach siya. So itong nagamit ko to, binili ko lang sa drugstore. So I just colored it by myself. Maybe next time when I color it again, I'll show you how I do it, but it'll take a while because my hair is so dry right now. And I noticed that I started to get a dandruff. I'm not sure if that's a dandruff because hindi naman sila yellow. I think it's because I started to get dry scalp. I think na parang nagkakaproblema ako sa ulo ko because of what I did to my hair. So I gotta go do something for that. So this one, before I go to bed, I use this. I do 3 pumps. Tanggalin natin to. I do it like that, and then gotta go put like this kasi wala tayong bra. Like a t-shirt or walang bra. So because usually when I go to work, I always curl my hair, especially when my hair is like this. Kapag super straight siya, parang wala siyang style. And every time I do curl my hair, everyone say, "Oh, I like your hair. How did you do your hair like that?" I don't have a curling iron, but I use flat iron, straightening iron. So talagang nag-explore ako. Nanap ko talagang paano. Dati hindi ako marunong mag-curl. So nag-practice lang ako. Practice makes perfect, right? So now I'll let it stay like that. Gusto kong ginagawa yung air dry, means we don't have electric fan here. We do, but there's ceiling fan, and you can't get your hair dry there. I have a hair blow dry. So before we go to bed, I have to blow dry a little bit. Right now, kung kailangan i-air dry siya, kung meron pagkakataon, i-air dry na lang natin. Because sometimes too much air or hot or in your hair, nadadamage mo siya, nagiging siyang dry, right? So, kasi kapag natulog ka, nabasa ang buhok mo, sasakit ang ulo mo. That is true before. I don't understand before why I do always get a migraine. But you know what? I started to realize, I'm like, oh, maybe it's my hair. And what I did, I tested it. Pinatayo ko talaga yung buhok ko. Pagkising ko kinabukasan, I don't have any migraine at all. So don't sleep while your hair is wet. You gotta make sure it's dry, okay? Wag niyong gagawin yun kasi baka magkasakit kayo. Because last time, what happened to me is nahilo talaga ako. So, hindi ako nakapasok ng 2 days. And I have like a lot of paperwork to do. So, good thing yung mga colleagues ko, marunong sila, tinulungan nila ako. So yeah, this is how I do my bedtime routine. So, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have to spend time editing my videos, because this is I'm still learning. So hopefully I can work on it, and hopefully I'll get some views, but and hopefully people will will like it. If you find it boring, just please write a comment down below and let me know what you guys want me to do. Okay, so you guys have a good night in Canada, and have a great day anywhere in the world. So you guys always be kind and be humble to everyone. Okay, see ya.
Chuki Beats.